buyheremarket.com is thanking you for watching, for listening to this extraordinary video. You're gonna be surprised. We're bringing you some great information. That's some extraordinary information in this video. Financialacademyschool.com is an absolute guide to investment, a successor, a support library for entrepreneurs, investors, and traders. Financialacademyschool.com. Tax strategies for individual investors, professionals, and landlords. Ways to save money on taxes right here at financialacademyschool.com. How to get the maximum return from the I.R.S. most overlooked tax deduction you should know about. Do you know your tax bracket for this year? If you don't know it, you are going to know it, your tax bracket. Your mom and dad, brothers and sisters, friends, neighbor, tax bracket. Right here. We got them prepared for you. Buyheremarket Enterprise, buyheremarket.com, where you can find the perfect information about economic, finance, investing, real estate, insurance, the financial market, tax liens certificates, tax deeds, tax sale auction, income tax, retirement information, etc. All these at buyheremarket.com. www.buyheremarket.com. Tax bracket. What is it exactly? Tax statement and documents you need to file taxes as individual or as tax professional. Great information, excellent information to enlarge your vision, to extend your knowledge. Wonderful information is the key to succeed in a lot of things. Having fantastic information is nothing but having extraordinary intelligence. Information is guidance to accomplishment. When you file your federal income tax return this year, you are filing your tax for the previous year. And this year's tax bracket defines the amount of tax you paid or you are going to pay to the government before credit or after tax adjustment. This year income tax bracket applied to money you earn during that year. Tax bracket, meaning tax rate. The government says if you are single, you filing your tax as a single person, and you make from $0 to $8,925, you are in the 10% bracket. If you are married, joint filers, you are going to file your taxes between husband and wife, and the government says if you make from $0 to $17,850, your tax bracket is 10%. Also, if you are head of household, you are going to file your tax as head of household, meaning that you have somebody, a child, somebody you taking care in the house, but you are in charge of the house, and you are making from $0 to $12,750. Your tax bracket is also 10%. Doesn't stay there. government said if you make from 8,000 to 36,000, your tax, and you are feeling single, your tax bracket is 15%. If you are married, joint fillers, and you make 17,000 to 72,000, you are still in the 15%. If you make 12,000 to 48,000 as head of household, remember that you are in charge, you got kids, you got people that you taking care, you got people that who depends on you, consider that head of household, and you're making from 12,000 to 48,000, you are still in the 15%. Remember, there are three ways you can file your taxes: single, married couple as joint fillers, or head of household. Let's continue. From 36,000 to 87,000, you are single, 25%. That's what you have to pay. 72,000 to 146,000, married couple, you are in the 25%. Head of household, 48,000 to 125,000, you are in the 25% tax bracket. Let's continue. If you make 87,000 to 183,000 as single fillers, 28% is your tax bracket. But if you are married, you make 146,000 to 223,000, you are in the 28%. Also, if you are head of household, but you're making 125,000 to 203,000, you are in the 28% tax bracket. 33% if you are single, but you are making 183,000 to 398,000, you pay 33%. That's your tax bracket. If you are married, you make 223,000 to 398,000, tax bracket is 33%. Also, head of household, 203,000 to 398,000, 33% tax bracket. The more money you make, the more money you are going to pay the government, because that's the higher your tax bracket is. 35% single person, 398,000 to 400,000, 35%. If you are married, 398 to 450,000 is still in the 35%, but head of household, 398 to 425, you are in the 35% tax bracket. 39.6% if you make $400,000 and up, you are paying 39.6%. This is your tax bracket. For married couple, you make $450,000 and up, you are in the 39.6% tax bracket. This is from the government. The documents you need to file your tax and these statements you need, like I said, to file your tax as individual or as tax professional. You now receive this document electronically, so be sure to double check your email and also the accuracy of it. FinancialAcademySchool.com, Buyheremarket.com. We thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video will be much much more interesting than that one. Thank you. Once again, thank you, and see you next time for the next video.